If you want to play games live on TikTok or let your viewers interact while you stream, here's how to enable the mobile gaming option on TikTok Live. Let's get started. But before we dive in, just a quick note. I'm using a demo account so I don't have enough followers to actually go live, but I'll guide you step by step so you will know exactly how it works once your account is eligible. First of all, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, check if your account is eligible for TikTok Live. You will need at least 1000 followers and be 16 or older. To use the mobile gaming option specifically, you must be 18 or older. Now, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen to start creating a new live stream. Then, select live from the option and give your live stream a title. But before you go live, look for the gaming or game icon in the tools section. If you see it, tap on it to enable mobile gaming mode. This will let you stream compatible mobile games directly during your TikTok live sessions. If you don't see the gaming option, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Just head to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for TikTok. Then tap on Update if available. Also check if your device meets TikTok's requirements. Sometimes older phones or brand new accounts may not have the feature available yet. Once everything is ready, tap on Go Live and launch your game. Your viewers will now be able to watch you play in real time. And that's all. You've successfully enabled the mobile gaming option on TikTok Live. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.